Good morning, people. January the 4th. Seems like 2021 is off to a racing start, galloping, just like 2020 did, more or less. Every thought you release becomes a permanent part of your character. Thoughts are things. Every thought you release, good or bad, is a form of energy that can affect those who receive it, for better or worse. More important, your thoughts affect you. You become, oh, hello. I guess it's time to do a video because she's showering. Say hello. It's okay, you can cover up. Yeah. Hello.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Sawadika.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, done with my coffee, done with my breakfast. She's showering. Perfect time to do a video. Every thought you release, good or bad, is a form of energy that can affect those who receive it, for better or worse. More important, your thoughts affect you. You become what you think about most. You become what you think about the most. If you think about success, you condition your mind to seek success, and you attract large portions of it. Conversely, if you think about failure and despair, you will become miserable and desperate. To keep your mind on a positive track, the moment you begin to experience creeping negativism, make a conscious decision to eliminate negative thoughts and replace them with positive counterparts. So, the law of attraction, what you think about, what you see is what you're going to get, right, to a large extent. And once again, if you haven't experienced success yet, you don't understand that. I get it. I didn't understand it either for a large part of my life. So until it happens to you, you're not going to maybe believe it, and you're not going to, trust it. So that's where in December we talked about faith. And I'm not talking about religious faith, going to church and kneeling down and listening to sermons. I'm talking about faith in yourself, or faith in these universal laws. And my thing is, if things aren't working for you right now, if you're stuck in a 9-to-5 job, stuck in the hamster wheel, the rat race, like Kiyosaki calls it, and you want a change, you desperately want a change, why not try it? Even if you don't believe in it, try it and see if it doesn't work, because I'm telling you it works. He's telling you it works. Once again, we talked about association and getting around successful people. If you ask them, right, that's a great question, ask them if they believe in that, or if they do that. The answer will be yes, by and large. Not everybody successful does these things, but a lot of people who are successful do. So take a leap of faith, try it, even if you don't necessarily believe it's going to work for you, and you'll be surprised that it works for you. And the other thing is, he's talking about exercising your brain, flexing your muscles, like you're going to the gym and working out. Everybody does have negative thoughts, or anger, or hate, whatever, come into their mind from time to time. And what he's saying is take them, flush them, through conscious effort. Think about what you're doing and say, I'm going to take that negative thought and throw it out of my head. And once again, you control that. You can do that. You thought it. You can get rid of that thought and or replace that thought with something positive. And you'll benefit from that. You personally will benefit from that process. So that's it for today, January 4th. Like I said, it all seems to be going pretty damn fast. So do what you can do. Don't waste today. Use it while you have it.